Hi class and welcome to EEC 1971 Planning. I hope you guys are all healthy and doing well. My name is Mike Hager and I will be your instructor for the course. I want to begin by pointing out a few important items. First, please review your syllabus carefully for the course expectations, as well as discussion post and assignment deadlines. This week there are two assignments. First is a written assignment. For this assignment, you will locate and review your state's licensing regulations and early learning standards. If needed, review the video shared in this module for guidance on where to locate this information. You will then answer the 10 questions located on the assignment template. The second assignment this week is the Module 1 discussion. For your initial post, share one aspect of your state licensing regulations that stood out or surprised you. Explain how you think this may support or hinder your work with children. Then share a goal for professional growth in regards to further understanding licensing guidelines and/or early learning standards. Please remember that even though we are in an online classroom, your active participation is expected. You must be active in the discussion by responding to any questions posed to you by your peers or myself, as well as responding to at least one peer's initial post. Additionally, I would appreciate if you would visit the Student Lounge discussion board and introduce yourself and say hello to a few peers by commenting on their introductions as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great week.